Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a sneak peek into the Aldi ad starting Sunday, June 27th. Stay tuned. So if you're new to my channel, I typically do Dollar Tree videos, but if you like all things Aldi, meal plans, hauls, please check my channel out and subscribe below. Okay, so I thought I would try a different format for this video. Typically, I just take you through the paper ad, but I have a little bit more time tonight. I thought I would try something that I've been thinking about. I thought I would do a screen recording, and that way we might be able to click on the items online to see if we can find out more details about each sneak peek item. So if you want to look at these on your own after this video, you just go to aldi.us in an internet browser. But yeah, it's a torrential downpour here in the Slate household. It's Friday night and there's Mario Kart happening in the background. I just got done working out. I'm finishing up some iced tea I had from earlier. This is as exciting as it gets these days. Speaking of Aldi, I'm drinking this, their Benner lemon iced tea mix. It tastes very much like the Lipton. Yeah, so anyway, what I think I'll do is I'll zoom in here. Oh yeah, lots of summer stuff again. So let's see, this first item here at the left, $6.99 each for Best Way Flip Beach Bed or Fashion Lounge. What's this at the bottom? Let's see if it'll show us more detail. Okay, yes, definitely. You could see the full rafts, which is pretty cool. And it looks like this one here, it has a little cup holder maybe. Good, honey. $4.99 for the Crane swim goggles, adult goggles or kids goggles or mask. $6.99 Huntington Home Novelty Beach Towel, 58-inch diameter. Okay, these look really cute. Oh yay, there's a lemon. So if you don't know yet, I'm all about lemons and citrus, whether for decoration or for food, drinks, whatever. 58-inch diameter. I think I'm gonna put that on the list. Hopefully I'll find the lemon and maybe the rainbow. The cactus looks cute too though. Ooh, definitely the lemon though first. All right, $29.99 for the Best Way Luxury Fabric Lounge. Oh, and look, it has monstera leaves or palm leaves on there, and I think a cup holder as well. Yeah, use in or out of the water. Oh, that's cool. So you could put it in your backyard. Maybe take it to the beach, maybe. It does look kind of big and clunky though. $29.99 is kind of up there. Yeah, if you're looking for something specifically like this though, it might be worth it. All right, and on the left here, $29.99 Bonsai Aqua Drench 3-in-1 splash pad, includes pool, water slide, and sprinkler. I would go for this one. How long do these things last typically? You know, are they like 3 years maybe? Not sure, but this is a lot of stuff for 30 bucks. You have a sprinkler on the bottom, this drench park slide, and then this pool with the slide too. So yeah, that might be worth it if you're in the market for something like that for backyard play. $8.99 for the water sprinkler, Geyser Blast, Wigglin' Water or Wigglin' Water Pillar. So are there 3 different kinds of these sprinklers, or does one sprinkler do all 3? I don't know. It does not say. So I am looking at this video and thinking, oh, I wonder if this is making you guys dizzy, because I'm kind of scrolling around. But doing the camera also might make you dizzy. So let me know either way what works best. $19.99 for the Bonsai Water Slide Assortment. Accessories not included. $24.99 Wham-O Foam Party Factory Kiddie Pool or 15-foot slip and slide. Looks like it comes with a solution there. And then $39.99 for the Bonsai Bumper Boats. It looks like it has water blaster shooters up to 18 feet. This does seem a little bit on the pricey side, but I was thinking, you know, I have some nephews and other kids in our adopted family where they might like this as a birthday present. So these could be worth it, I think. $14.99. I've definitely paid more, I think, for wreaths like this, although not much more. I have a wreath like this one on the right that is all red berries, which is for Christmas. And now this has me thinking, I wonder if I could decorate that in such a way that it looks like July 4th. I would take a look at these and see how they look to you. All right, let's go to the very top. $3.99 for the Be Happy 6-pack Bubble Wands or Jumbo Chalk. I think I'm gonna get this one because if this chalk is the same definition of jumbo as Dollar Tree, this will actually be cheaper than Dollar Tree. And this is an item that we would actually use this summer. $18.99, the Crane Inflatable Gladiator Jousting includes 2 65-foot battle batons, 2 24-inch podiums, and 2 repair kits. Let's take a look at this. This looks kind of fun. I might want this for myself. Is that weird? So you stand on these circular things and use these jouster things or battle batons to, you know, knock each other off. Back to the top, $19.99 for the Crane 5-in-1 Premium Backyard Combo Game, Volleyball, Badminton, is it Yai Alai? I'm probably butchering that, I'm sorry. Ring toss and flying disc, includes storage bag. That's a really good price. If these are of quality, which usually the Crane stuff is, I think, that would be a good price. And I find usually, even if we buy expensive volleyball nets or cheapy ones, or expensive badminton rackets or cheapy ones, they fall apart anyway in the same time frame, I think. And you can even get extra badminton rackets at Dollar Tree right now. Even amongst all the fall stuff, in their leftover summer stuff, they still have those rackets. So if you needed more, just saying. $6.95, I won't click this one. The Zuru bunch of balloons. That's a lot of balloons. It looks like maybe 20 each, maybe, I would guess. So 60 balloons. $12.99 here. Oh wait, no, sorry. $49.99. I was gonna say this hammock is $12.99. No. For a hammock with stand. $12.99, Be Happy leaf blower or bubble mower. And then up here at the top, $9.99 for a Be Happy disc swing or swing seat. Okay, and then over here we have like Connect 4, looks like a giant one. 4 in a row, $29.99. I think that would be a pretty good price. I personally wouldn't get it right now just because I don't know where I would put this thing in the winter time. Plus, we do have the giant Jenga blocks, and those take up a lot of room and are very heavy. We did not pay $29.99. I think I paid like $40 or $50, and that was with like a coupon at Dick's Sporting Goods. So those are really fun, I think. And if you have kids that don't want to play Jenga right now, they could just, you know, build like forts and stuff. So $9.99 for the Lily and Dan Children's Swim Cover-Up. Okay. $5.99 at the bottom here for the Clever Factory Big Outdoor Games. $4.99 for children's bucket hat or baseball cap. That looks really cute. There's unicorns. That's in pink. And then, oh, those are sharks. See, now I kind of like this baby shark one better. $6.99 and $4.99. There's water shoes, a bunch of them. So $6.99 children's character water shoes, $4.99 Lily and Dan children's water shoes, $3.99 Lily and Dan sneaker style water shoes, and $16.99 Work Zone. Okay, so these are not water shoes, these are safety shoes. So you know what I like using these water shoes for is rock hunting. $9.99 glass storage bowls, glass for $9.99 with lids. I like that. I kind of wish they were all one color though, but it looks very happy to be in all those colors, especially if they're summer themed. $4.99 for the Crofton Mini Mandolin Slicer, and then $9.99 for this melon slicer, or you can have a mango tool or multi-slicer. Let's see, are there other? No, okay. $2.89 for the Crofton silicone ice cube tray, and $12.99 for this Crofton 2-burner griddle. Okay, and we have some clothing. $9.99 Sarah Ladies summer shorts. Those could be good. $9.99 Sarah Ladies cover up. This might be cute. Initially it looks like a men's shirt. Oh, why don't they show us the other designs? I am willing to bet there are some other cute designs. I could be wrong. $8.99 for this beach dress. Ooh, that's so pretty. It looks like it has a cinch waist. That is nice. I love like that blue with the flowers. Very pretty. $9.99 for the Sarah Ladies linen cotton pants. This could be nice, especially in the summer. You just want to take the dog out for a walk in the evening, or it's kind of breezy, so you don't want to wear shorts because it might be too cold. All right, and we are on the last page. Okay. Okay, so I'm a gardener. I'm excited. $19.99 for these Kinetic wind spinners. I was looking at these on Wayfair, Target, like everywhere, and they were so expensive, and some of them weren't even that pretty. Wow. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so they are 7 feet high and about 23 inches diameter. So they feel kind of on the small side compared to the ones that I've seen. But these look really pretty. I love this blue. It looks like a peacock, doesn't it? Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh man, $19.99. Am I gonna even get those? Or is somebody gonna buy them out from under me? $14.99 Balabi metal wind chimes. Those are pretty. $8.99 for the Orbit hose watering timer. $12.99 Balabi double hanging planter. Plants not included, of course. That's nice. Let me look. So, yeah. So I have 2 planters this year from Aldi. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous. And they even have drainage at the bottom, which you don't always see in ceramic planters. So $18.99 for this Balabi mini raised planter. Mini raised. What does mini mean? What size is it? Show me. Nope, won't tell me. Oh, it looks it looks shorter than the other one for sure that they had earlier this year. Yeah, especially if you want to even use this inside. All right, and then kind of a smattering of outdoor things. So $29.99 for the Easy Home twin window fan. Includes a remote control, very nice. $14.99 Huntington Home 30-inch by 47-inch Manhattan doormat. I like the doormats from Aldi. We love them. We have at least 4 of them, and then like 5 small rugs. $4.99 for the insect zapper. You know, you could take a bit of your aggression out on those mosquitoes, but don't get the dragonflies or the ladybugs because they're your friends. They eat the bugs that you don't want. $19.99 Easy Home folding utility cart. I feel like they have this every year. $59.99 for the Rangemaster kettle charcoal grill, and then $120 for a Rangemaster electric smoker with window. Is that a good price? I have no idea. I don't know how the pricing goes on smokers. It has a built-in temperature gauge. That's good. Okay, and then we have the food stuff on the bottom. These start Wednesday, June 30th. Have you take a look there. $9.99 for Never Any, yay. Fresh lamb, $1.79 a pound for the 73% lean ground beef. It's sold in a 5-pound package for $8.95. And by the way, that $9.99 lamb was per pound. $9.99 a pound for the salmon. I've always liked the salmon from Aldi, including the ones that are like pre-seasoned. And then $2.99 a pound for the fresh family pack thin sliced boneless pork chops. Okay, this definitely took longer to do it this way. Tell me, do you like the video like this, where you might be able to see stuff a little clearer, and then we can click on the item to see if we can find out more information? Or is it better to just take the paper ad? All right, so making a mental note to myself, Clara: lemon towel, rainbow towel, maybe the gladiator, definitely the chalk, and then the garden spinner. Yeah, let me know, guys, what looks interesting to you, and which format do you like it with, the paper ad, or do you like on the computer? If you like this video, please comment below and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.